I want to take a look at Kitty Hawk's Flying Flapjack kit. This kit is 1/48 scale, retails right around $55 and is available online or at your local hobby shop. I always start with the box, beautiful box art, painted box art, and I call this standard box art as I could not find an artist who painted it. There's the front, there's the side. Now this is a sample, and I'll show you all as in due time, but part of the marking is blocked out, and I will get to that momentarily. Anyway, that shows you markings, what you can do with the flapjack. I always start with the instructions first. With Kitty Hawk, they're doing full color, black and white, almost a booklet, if you will, and shows you color guide as for painting and markings. The actual instructions, which are pretty self-explanatory. Get back to color and decal guide. And this should be able to fold out, but it's glued together. And I will show everyone why once we get there. The kit itself basically comes in 4 sprues. It's also molded in gray styrene, and I wanted to show everyone this before I got a little farther in here. This is how they inject plastic for make the 2 sprues, and they just basically fold it over, as you can see there. As you can see, it doesn't come apart. Just like this. It's just real easy to snap off. But anyway, I'll show this part here, and I've only got one hand available, so I'll just do this real quick. This is the basically the landing gear doors, the insides. Landing gear wheels and the landing gear itself. The control panel there. The only thing that I see that this kit is missing is does not come with figures. The flapjack body, the underside, and the detail on it is very crisp. No flash, no sink marks, and the rivets are very, very fine. I mean, you can hardly feel them when you pass your finger over them. I'll see if I can get a little closer and see if y'all can see it. Just very fine detail. The top side. And again, the rivet detail on there is just phenomenal. We got the seat. The kit comes with clear parts. You do get, they do come poly bagged. They don't come boxed separately like the Kingfisher there. And they are very, very clear and crisp. Very clean. This is the, you also get 1 sheet of photo etch. Seat belts, I believe. And you do get 3 sheets of decals. You do get the main sheet here, which does have a protective sleeve on it, which just pulls off. Nicely done, and a nice added touch to protect the decals. And to me, they don't look too thick, too thin. You also get a little sheet here. And on my sample, and why the boxes and the instructions are glued, you can see the decal is incomplete, and I believe it's supposed to be the anime girl there, which does line up exactly with the Uncle Sam decal, which I assume on my sample is why the side of the box is taped over in black. But anyway, this may be in later issues, this may not, I have no idea. But anyway, gorgeous kit. I do highly recommend the Flying Flapjack by Kitty Hawk.